East African Legislative Assembly Parliamentary Games, which are bringing together parliaments from all the East African community states of Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, DR Congo, Republic of South Sudan, and Somalia. We did consciously decide that to join the rest of Kenyans in observing the austerity measures set in place by His Excellency the President, we will cut down on our costs of air freight by going on to the SGR train led by yours truly, and we are getting onto the train now. Most of our colleagues from other countries have already arrived in Mombasa. I'm the president of the Bureau of the Speakers of the East African Community, so I'm the principal host, and all the speakers of the region are joining us. Tomorrow, His Excellency the President is coming to officially open the games. I have invited all the governors of the coastal counties of Taita Taveta, Mombasa, Kwale, Kilifi, Tana River, and Lamu. One bus carrying some of our colleagues from Tanzania was involved in an accident. We have no fatalities, but some injuries, and have been taken to hospital. You will get better information once we get to Mombasa. And this team of leaders who are involved in the management of the games will be able to appraise you. And we wish them quick recovery, those who have sustained various injuries.